So one problem that my car has, and probably other Hondas have this problem, and maybe even other car manufacturers have this problem, when I have my window automatically go back up, it sometimes will come back down halfway. I don't know exactly why it does that, but it's related to the friction in the window. There's too much friction, so it won't come all the way back up. One thing you can do to test this is, as you have it go back up, apply some pressure going upward to see if it will stay. So now we know that the problem's definitely with the friction. The solution for this is actually really quite easy. All we need to do is get some silicone spray and spray it in here so we can lubricate it a bit so there is not quite as much friction. Whoa. Okay, now that that's sprayed, I should just have it go up and down a couple times and the problem should be fixed.